everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got you guys a very unique recipe of Kumbh Hara Dhaniya or coriander mushroom gravy. This was a requested video from a very dear friend of mine and she was very keen about getting the authentic recipe for this. And I gave my 100% towards this. Let's see if you guys like it. So here's the list of ingredients. So here's 1 cup of onion puree. Now how to make this puree? I've boiled the onions for about 5 minutes and then made it to a puree. Half cup of freshly chopped coriander leaves. Here I've taken 5 to 6 button mushrooms and then made them into quarters. 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Half teaspoon of garam masala or whole spices powder. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder. 1 teaspoon of salt or as per your taste, 3/4 cup of tomato puree, about 4 tablespoons of cashew nut paste, about 2/3 cup of spinach puree. I've boiled the spinach for about 5 to 6 minutes and then pureed it. And here I have 2 tablespoons of yogurt. This is whole garam masala. Here I have 1 cinnamon stick, 2 cloves, 2 bay leaves, half teaspoon of caraway seeds, 3 cardamom pods and 1 green chillies finely chopped. Here's some olive oil. So let's heat the pan and add about 4 tablespoons of olive oil to it. Once the oil is hot, we will add the whole spices to the pan. Let them splutter for a minute and then we will add the onion paste to it. Cook the onion paste until all the water has evaporated. Once done, now we'll add the ginger garlic paste to it. Mix well and add the tomato puree to the pan. Cook this until the tomatoes changes the color. And now we will add the spinach puree to it. Mix well and add the chili powder and salt to it. Again mix well and add the coriander powder and garam masala to it. Mix well and let it cook for 5 more minutes. Now we will add the yogurt to the pan. We will again cook the yogurt for 5 more minutes. Now add the green chilies to it. It's time to add the mushrooms now. Coat mushrooms very well with the gravy. You do not require to add any water to the gravy as the mushrooms already has water in them. Now we will add the cashew nut paste to the pan. Mix well and add chopped coriander to it. Here I've got fine juliennes of yellow and green capsicum. Let's add them to the pan. Mix well and switch off the flame. Kumbh Hara Dhaniya is now ready. Serve it hot with chapati or rice. If you like this video, please do comment below for more new recipes. Hit that bell icon on your right to get notified about my new videos. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until then, bye-bye.